Actually, continuous po ang ating illegal drug operation. Ito nga, meron po tayong data. So, as of January, last month, nagkaroon po tayo ng 20 by bus operation. Then, isang search warrant and then warrant of arrest sa 2 with a total of 23. So, ito po ay naghalo. Isang street level individual, meron 29. At sa high value individual is 2 with a total of 31. So, nakakuha po tayo ng more or less 157.73 grams of shabu and marijuana. So actually, yan nga yung ating continuous operation. So yan yung sinasabi ng ating mahal na provincial director na si Police Colonel Redendo C. Orsano to strengthen our campaign against drugs, wanted person, illegal firearms, and other activities na hindi pinagbabawal. Ay pinagbabawal po.